Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. For those of you who don't know, my name is Stella. My name's Nicole. My name's Enzo. And today we are going to be making slime. So, the ingredients you'll need are glue, water, food dye, lotion, Tide, and a bowl or plate to mix your things in, and a mixing tool. So, let's get started. The first thing you need to do is pour in your glue.
This is glue who don't know glue.
And now it's done.
By the way, you used all the glue.
Okay, the next thing you need to add is water.
All of it?
No, I'll tell you when to stop. Mixing. All you want to do is mix. Mix. Oh, yeah. After you mix it together, you have to add food dye. We're going to make ours purple. First, we're going to add red. That was a lot.
That was
Pretty bad idea. So, give you a shot.
it matches the bowl.
Yeah, matches the bowl. And then we're gonna add blue.
Type of it.
Next thing you need to add is lotion.
Okay, that's
Okay. The last thing you need to do is add Tide for activator. You can also use baking soda and saline solution.
And sometimes you could use John Cena. Wait, all of it?
Okay, so you're just gonna mix it in a little bit at a time. Okay, so then you keep mixing together until you have the right consistency of slime.
Tiny mix?
Okay. Then you have to mix with your hands.
Yeah.
Okay, I'll mix with my hands.
This is a very nice video.
Okay, so just keep adding more.
I don't think it's time to play with that.
Okay, so now that it's like that, we'll be back when the slime is ready. We're back, and now the slime is ready. So, here it is. Touch it. Okay. Stop touching it! how we make slime. Goodbye. Bye. Like, subscribe, and share.
By the way, sell fidget spinners.
Hi, Mattine. Okay.
Hi, Sir Robin. Hi, Sabrina. Hi, Daddy.
Hi, viewers.